intro of every single one. 3, 2, 1, and action.
Right, okay.
No, before you ever start, then I will do that.
Alright.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Marble Link. That's how I usually start Marble, that's not how you start yours. But anyways, we'll be doing another snack crate, second one today. Yay.
Yay.
Hopefully it's not as bad as...
Not as spicy as a Thailand one.
Oh yeah, we got board back up.
Yeah, our board's back
We've
up.
done it we've done it a bit better, so it's literally that's in order.
Well, we ran out of space because we've done 12 now, so it's number 13.
And no, it's in order, so we can put more in.
Right, are we going for it?
Yes.
The clue on the outside of this one is hola. So I'm thinking
Hola,
it might be Spanish, maybe?
Yeah.
We've not had a Spanish one, so
No.
hopefully. We've had Mexican, which is obviously Spanish-ish. Spanish-ish?
We haven't had
Mexican.
Mexico.
Right, let's have a laugh.
We haven't had Mexico.
No, I've done Mexico.
No, we haven't done Mexico.
Oh, we haven't, have we?
No, I don't know.
Oh, I do apologise.
Yes,
It's Spain! I thought I'd
Cold.
done Mexico, I don't know.
I don't.
I don't know.
Yeah, anyhow, this one's from Spain. So again, how this works. Again, I don't know where my phone is. Is that my phone?
Yeah.
I thought it was yours for a second. Yeah, so what we'll do, stuff comes out of the box, and you take photos of it, as we try each thing, and we'll read out what it is from a description.
Also, after we filmed the Thailand video, we did actually scan the scanners for the Spotify, and we found some weird music.
We found some great music as well.
And weird. The recipe on this one is salamojo. Is that how you say it? Salamojo?
Salamojo, maybe?
Salamojo? That's what it looks like. It
That's what it is.
looks like tomato soup.
Does look like tomato soup, doesn't it? Okay, it might be tomato soup.
Maybe.
Who knows? What's it got in it? Tomatoes.
Oh,
Yeah, it could be tomato soup.
Yes.
Hard boiled eggs. Yeah.
Tomato
Okay.
soup.
Why is my camera not going? That's weird. Oh, there we go. Right, so we're going to take stuff out. First thing is crisps. Usually crisps.
Fried egg taste chips.
Chips that taste of fried eggs. That's
I'm
gonna
going
be
to pull the stuff out.
weird. That's cool. We can pull them out.
I hate that pillow. Oh, we've got another pair of chips. Ruffles. Do we have these
We
here?
have Ruffles in England, yeah, but depending on what flavour we have, I suppose.
Seba and Morin. I don't know what they look like.
I wouldn't have a clue. I don't do Spanish. Looks like
Ham.
ham, yeah. Ooh.
Naranja.
So that's a drink we have. Normally it's Coca-Cola, but something
Finally,
nice.
something different.
What else? Oh,
Snack dimish. Why do they look like goldfish but in a different shape?
I'm thinking that.
Like goldfish but like in a different shape. This looks spicy. Well, not spicy, sour.
Oh, roller.
A Finny roller fizz. Strawberry flavoured.
That's going to be a
Yes.
sour or something like that, isn't it?
Oh, not for me.
I think we get these here.
Yeah.
Colette Con Creams. These look like Oreos.
Yeah, I've seen them. in
Oh,
Tesco.
kind of
Well,
Oreos.
cereal
But not
parts.
individually wrapped.
No, I
They're
am.
usually like a big pack.
Yeah.
Oh, they kind of look like.
Oh, that's
They kind of look
heavier than I
like.
thought it was going to be.
Kind of looks like winders. Well, winders are. Guess what? It's a wafer.
We always get a wafer biscuit.
I
It's pretty much all
told
of
you
them.
we always get a wafer biscuit.
Yeah. That's cool. So wafer. Then we've got some little
Kit Kat straight on.
little sweets.
But like, I think they're like hard.
The short
You know what
flavour,
these look like? Do you know like when you go to the omelette place and then they have like the dish of all the sweets there?
Yes.
That's what they kind of look like.
Understand sweets.
I know.
Right, so let's say let me just.
You could do a full fact.
So it comes wrapped up in this beautiful packaging. Got some really pretty pictures, which is what all these lot are on the board the answers. Inside, as Emily said earlier on about the QR code. Scan the QR code, and you get popular music from that country. You get some fun facts down the side, usually about 5 fun facts. Yeah. And then you get like about the country itself, so like might be population numbers or popular things to do there, cultures, that sort of thing. So, a fun fact from Spain. On average, Spaniards devote 16 out of every 24 hours to leisure, eating, drinking and sleeping. That sounds quite good to me.
Can I read this?
That's pretty much my life.
Yeah.
When Spanish children lose a tooth, they put it under the pillow, and a small mouse called Ratancito Perez comes to collect it and leaves a small gift or money in its place.
Ah, it's like we have a tooth fairy, we have a tooth mouse. That's different. One more quick one there, because it just caught my eye. The oldest restaurant in the world is in Madrid. Restaurante Botín has been open since 1725. Wow, that's
That one's weird.
a long time. Yeah, right, so first thing we do, pour a drink out. We'll pour a drink out so it's fine. I actually put this in the fridge for once to see what happened.
The can was
So
cold.
the can's quite cold this time, so we'll get a cold drink. Orange juice, maybe? Yeah, orange juice.
Citron on the side.
Orange juice.
So I put in the fridge this time, so because sometimes we get chocolate in and the chocolate melts and that. But you know what, we'll take a chance.
Oh yeah, we did. We got the wafer.
Yeah, we'll take a chance and put it in the fridge and see what happens.
That's not fair. Yeah, that doesn't
Yeah.
just smell nice.
No, because there's citrus on
Ah. Yeah. Yeah, so it's orange juice, we think. So we'll see how it goes, right?
The
So,
white crisps.
they-
Open them first.
and what are they?
Ah,
Madame Secretary.
these you
These uniquely flavoured.
oh.
Go on.
We really need to up these English skills.
We're doing this up with English skills a little bit. Come on, girl. Go on, you can do it.
Flavoured savoury chips have an uncanny resemblance to an
Oh dear.
uncanny.
Uncanny.
Uncanny. I've never even heard
I'm
of
going to start
that word.
pronouncing it like that.
Yeah, I've never even heard of that word.
Come on. Right, start again.
These unlikely flavoured savoury chips have an uncanny.
Right, these uniquely flavoured chips have an uncanny
resemblance to an actual
fried egg.
fried egg. You might have just found a perfect reference.
And no, we're not cutting any of that out, we are keeping it all in.
No!
Oh, that smells weird.
If I have anything to do with it,
That smells
cutting
weird.
that out.
We're not cutting any of that out.
I'm cutting that out.
There's supposed to be fried
that
eggs.
smells horrible. Shut up!
Right.
I've never even heard of that word. I have an excuse.
Neither have I.
Fried egg. Oh my goodness.
It's a fried egg in a crisp form.
That's insane. It smells awful. But it does taste just like fried egg.
Nice.
Oh wow. I don't know who thought of this idea, but that is just crazy.
It's crazy, but I wouldn't really want to. Well, I guess if you're in a rush and you're in the mood for crisps in the morning.
You could put in a
Quick
sandwich,
breakfast.
a fried egg sandwich.
Yeah.
We should try that. Come try that. I actually want to try it like that.
You want to try the next one? Ruffles?
Yeah.
Would you like to read this out, or shall we just make it up as we go on?
Really. A national favourite in Spain, these wavy potato chips feature the salty and savoury flavour of the
Revered Spanish ham.
revered Spanish ham.
I'll take the ham.
Oh, this bag wasn't sealed. It was had a little split in the top of it, so it might be soft and soggy if they've gone off, maybe. Hopefully they're not.
No, fine.
No, they have gone off a bit.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah,
You're a bit chewy.
that's unfortunate.
Can I have a tissue, please?
Right, that's unusual for a snack crate, it's normally really good. that bag had split open.
Yeah.
So there's
A bit
Like
soft,
a
like
a
chewy.
soft, chewy. Flavour itself, I reckon would be really nice. It's like a ham flavour.
Smoky bit.
I reckon it's gluten free
Yeah,
as
that's
well.
how I was saying. So
Yeah, that's might have been crisp. So yeah, it was tasty, but
they were nice, but
unfortunately the texture just wasn't
the other
good.
reason why I spit it out because I didn't like how the texture
That's
felt.
just, yeah, they've been up and pretty much since it's travelled.
That's a shame.
That is a shame, that. Very unusual snack crate, really well packaged, and really good. That's first, well, about second or third time I've had something damaged. Once we've had one of those things crushed, haven't we?
Well,
that
most of our
ball, that-
things are crushed.
Oh, that
That
chocolate
bun-
dome thing.
Yeah, like chocolate dome, which
That was more like
understandable.
pancake on it.
They've travelled from the other side of the world in the box. I get it. Right, what's next?
Show us it.
Baked snack product.
Baked snack product.
That's what it is. That's what it is.
These little star-shaped crunchy corn snacks may be small, but they pack a spicy, cheesy flavour that is shockingly delicious. So basically, goldfish.
Sounds like goldfish.
Goldfish, but in a
American that.
star form.
Let's see. See what it tastes like. Hey, I haven't got a few.
Come on, nice. A bit spicy.
Not spicy.
I like them.
A little bit. But not
Yeah.
hot. Oh yeah. Real. I won't say spicy, I say more tangy. Mmm.
I do get the spicy.
Much nicer than goldfish.
They're nicer than goldfish,
They're
but
not
the
goldfish.
spice.
Goldfish are crackers. These are crackers.
No.
Popped corn. Like spicy Wotsits.
Yeah. Yeah, very nice. I like them.
They're nice but spicy.
Yeah.
Stop eating
I think
them.
that's
We have to move on.
Let's have a drink next, I think.
What are you
Now I've had a bit of spice. A drink, madame?
Made with real fruit juice, this tangy, fizzy, orange flavoured soda adds a refreshing touch to any day or cocktail. I just could try it in a cocktail.
Orange juice. I think after having that spicy stuff, it's taken the flavour away a little bit.
Definitely.
I think it would be a lot nicer if we introduced that bit of spice.
I think it's
But
fine.
yeah, that's quite nice. Yeah. It's nice,
tastes like
nice
tango.
pleasant change to have orange juice rather than cola.
Let me try those like cookie things.
And try.
Oh,
No.
What's that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it's.
Delicious biscuits.
Oh, the individuals.
Delicious biscuits made with crunchy cereal and bits of blueberry, semi-coated in smooth white chocolate.
Oh, white
yeah,
chocolate.
nice.
They do sound nice, don't they?
Except for the blueberry
Quite a big
bit.
packet as well.
Oh my god, it's got this.
Oh, they're smaller than I thought they were going to
It's got this stuck.
be. I thought they were going to be bigger than this. No, look, feel of the packet.
Yeah, tiny cookie.
Yeah, but I feel the outside, I thought it was going to be quite big.
They're nice.
Oh, oh, smells lovely. Hmm.
We've got the TV on in the background, we've just got it muted, and he just got his foot stuck in a chair.
White chocolate, semi-coated berries and cereal. I thought there must be some fruit in there. That's really.
Blueberries.
I just said it was blueberries.
Mm. Oh, they are nice.
They're amazing.
And the mini ones. So I wonder if we do full-size ones. Hmm.
Dad,
I could sit and eat them quite happily.
I think we'll be requesting more
In
of
fact,
them.
I think I
before
will
we-
be sitting eating them.
No, all of us will. Dad, we'll need to ask them if they can still.
Big bag.
They can give us more of them, but a massive bag for when we go to Florida.
They are nice.
Right.
Right, we're going to try.
It tastes like something else I've had before and I can't pinpoint it.
I should do a wafer first. We'll do a wafer
Wafer.
first because I think that's going to be quite.
And then the rock,
Tangy.
well, the hard candy. I
Go on,
think
so
it will be.
what is it?
What is it? Because I had it ready to go with. Got it. Layers of crunchy waffle sandwiched together with creamy nougat, then dipped in rich chocolate to make an unmistakable flavour.
Yeah, so chocolate
So
wafer.
with it.
But you do get chocolate wafers from all over, but the chocolate tastes different from some places. It depends how thick it is and everything else.
Looks quite thick.
Okay.
Considering how bad the Thailand one went, I'm really liking this one.
I know.
Yeah. There's nothing in here that's been bad. Apart say unfortunately with crisp because the bag was open.
Yeah, but they
Yeah.
still taste nice.
Still tastes okay.
They tasted nice.
They're just a bit chewy as well.
Smells amazing.
It does smell nice actually.
Good thing you put it in.
It smells really nice. Oh, that one just crushed, I think.
It's actually just a chocolate wafer. Oh, what is that wafer which comes in that golden red packaging?
Tunnocks.
Yeah, that's what it
Tunnock
tastes
wafers
like.
we have in England.
That's what it tastes like. But the chocolate's a bit more stronger. A bit more, a lot stronger.
I'm not a lover of chocolate.
Neither.
No, I'm not a lover of chocolate, I'm afraid.
You don't do dark chocolate though, do you?
I
Yeah, but
do.
I don't really like it.
I love dark chocolate. But
I like that chocolate though.
I don't know if it's chocolate or it's the cream
nugget?
filling.
Maybe.
There's something I'm not
The
keen on.
nugget. To me, why does it kind of taste like nuts to me?
No, not that. Not wild on that.
Does it to you? Does it kind of taste like peanuts? Or it's like nuts to you? Just like the teeniest bit, but like.
No, I'm not keen on that at all.
I like it. Mine's gone.
Yeah, I've eaten it,
This.
but
Finny
I'm not
roller.
about trying that.
With claims to the longest candy belt thrown, this fruity roll will take your taste buds on a tart trip with its intense sour flavour.
bit of sour.
I just don't do sour, I don't do spicy, and that's just both.
I just do anything. That smells pure sugar. Just trying to unroll it.
I think I did.
Oops,
Well, there's sugar everywhere.
sorry. Okay,
I
well,
can eat a warhead without pulling a
I
face.
don't think we can do one of these videos without us making this.
go on. Go a bit. Go a little bit.
I'd love a small bit.
You get your own bit off then. You're covered in sugar, but go for it.
I'm having the rest of that.
We'll see.
That bit will do me.
Oh, you want? I'll tell you a bit.
It's a lot of sugar.
Like that. It's tasty.
A lot of
Amazing.
sugar.
It's not that sour.
It's not even sour. Half the rest of it.
It's a little bit sour. Yeah, but not now. You've got another sweet to try
A
yet.
spoon of sugar.
What?
Got another sweet to try yet.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice. I like that. It's a
Best
bit like
thing-
our Wanders, but with. No, what am I thinking? Not Wanders.
Oh my god, look
Sugar
at them.
strips.
Yeah. Can't remember what we call them.
Rainbow strips.
Yeah, rainbow strips, that sort of thing. Right,
Yes.
now I've got these.
These bright red candies feature a crunchy, sugary outer layer with a soft gummy centre, bursting with cherry flavour.
So they are small,
Oh, the
but
cherry ones.
they're hard. So bear with us while we eat. Oh, they're not crunchy at all. They're soft.
We said crunchy, sugary outer layer.
Odd texture. Really weird texture to that,
Just
but
tastes like cherry stuff.
that is nice. Yeah, that was nice. They are nice.
Is there another one?
I like them.
Yeah, there's another two. Second of one each. Yeah, nice. Nothing in that box
I
I
didn't
found
like.
bad.
Neither.
Yeah, like pleasant surprise in that box.
Favourites for the Wanda.
So your favourite is the sour flavoured strip thing. What'd your favourite be?
I really did like them biscuits.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. I wouldn't go for the white cereal biscuit
I didn't
things.
quite like them star thingies though.
Yeah. What's your least favourite?
What? Probably the Ruffles.
Ruffles.
Not just because they were soggy, but I'm not a big fan of that
smoky
flavour.
bacon, do you?
I don't really do smoky bacon.
And it is a ham, so it's very similar sort of tasting. What's your least favourite?
That winder thing, but I don't do sugary sweets.
Yeah, don't do sour. My least
It's
favourite.
sour though, is it?
No, I want the sour,
It's
but
just a sugar.
yeah,
I don't
set
know.
the taste buds going.
I don't do sweets.
And my least favourite would have been the wafer bar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something about it, just I don't know, I just didn't like. Wasn't keen on the taste of it. But again, like we said, this is our opinion. We do have 3 totally different taste buds and we like different things, which is great. If we all like the same thing, these videos would be quite boring. If you all went, yeah, we all like that and we don't like that, that'd
We
be
do
dull.
sometimes, don't we?
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes something, like we said earlier on in our
Sometimes they're
past
just
video,
yucky.
sometimes one thing stands out and we all go, wow.
Mm.
And other times we'll try and put something in our mouth and it don't get that.
To be honest, I kind of feel like that's what it.
Some more of these things again.
Yeah.
I think it is like mainly this time. It is the biscuits.
It's mostly sweet stuff. I know it's a snack crate, so it gives it away. We are snacks, not foods.
A lot of like snacks at the minute are like sweets.
And these snacks, but these nice little variety. I mean, the biscuit as well.
I really like them biscuits.
I like them biscuits. So
You
I'm
get a lot
fighting.
in a bag though, don't you?
You do. That is almost like a smallish bag, but there's loads in it.
Yeah.
What?
There must be
Oh, jeez.
about between 20 and 30 biscuits in there.
Yeah, that's insane, isn't it?
They are
But this
really.
is mini on them, so I do wonder whether they do bigger ones.
We'll have to try and search it and find out if they do full size ones. So at least when you go on holiday to Spain, you might be able to get some. But they are really, really nice. Yeah, definitely my favourite. The drink was just a drink.
I like the cherry sweets. But I'm
Yeah.
not again.
So, all in all, that one, very successful. So it's a shame the Ruffles bag was open, so we've got a bit soggy or that sort of texture to them. Unfortunate. But yeah, so that is box number 13 that we've done. So the next one should be due anytime soon. It has been delayed this month, but it should be due soon. And shortly after that, the next one should come. Let's get one a month. So guys that want to know what it is, it's a company called Snack Crate. They're based in Florida in America. Each month you get a different box for different countries, or not even just different countries sometimes, like we have had like the road trip, which was Route 66. So yeah, it's from America, but it's not just American food, it's from different areas, that sort of thing. So all in all, very successful. Definitely recommend going to check out the Snack Crate site. It's worth a look. Even if you just order one box to give it a go, yeah, it's just some bit of fun. So anything from you guys? No?
Go check out my channel.
Yeah, go check out Emily's
I've got
channel.
another video up.
Have you? Oh wow.
Well, not from the last one that I posted. I don't remember.
Oh, okay. And what is your channel called?
Secret Life of Emily.
Secret Life of Emily.
What was that
We'll put the
video?
description in the. Oh, sorry, I'll pop the link in the description below.
Oh, what was last video?
Yeah, so check out our videos. We are now on how long before holiday?
When I like.
So we are counting down to going back to Florida at the moment.
What's it?
We have counted down twice already because it keeps getting cancelled because of this COVID bit. We are now up to 261 days and we'll be going back again. That'll soon pass. It will soon pass. You've had 261 days, so that's what, about 8 months. So that's 8 more snack crates and then we'll be going. Yeah. See, you got to break it down. Make it, time goes faster.
We've got 8 subscribers.
So yeah, so guys, that'll do it for this one. So if you like what you see, brilliant.
Yeah, it was my stretchy one.
Give us a thumbs up.
That was the one.
Subscribe if you want to see more of the same sort of thing. Subscribe if you want to see other things that we're going to be doing going forwards. And yeah, so hopefully this time next year we'll be have some videos of Florida up. That'd be nice. Yes, at last. At last. We'll call it a day on that one. So, Goodbye.